Hey guys, welcome to our channel Coders Arcade. In today's video, we are going to solve one problem that you encounter while using MySQL Workbench. That is no connection established problem in MySQL Workbench. So what happens is when you open your MySQL Workbench, sometimes what happens is you will encounter this problem. When we go into My Connections here, usually what happens is it asks password, right? But here in this case, it didn't ask me password. Instead, it got inside this connection, but it says no connection established on the left down corner of this screen. You can see this. And here it opens up administration server settings. So here in this, you can see that so many things are NA, NA, NA. See? So all of these. Here your connection is not established properly. How we can solve this error? So to solve this error, you need to go to here in the search bar. In this, you have to type services. Then once you type services, either you can press enter or you can just click onto this option right here. So now here your services window opened up, and here you can see all the services that are actually running into your Windows operating system right now. So here I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to search for MySQL 80, this one. MySQL 80 service. Here you can see it's on manual and it says network service. And you can see there is no description for this and the status is nothing. You can see that other services are actually running, but MySQL 80 service is not running. Because the service is not running, you are getting this error. Now to solve this error, you have to right click onto it. You can go to properties. You can start the server from here. The moment you start the server here, you can see my SQL server is started. And here I'm going to close my workbench. And here I'm going to open my workbench again. And when I click onto my connection, this time it asked me password for my local connection. So here I'll give the password for my connection. And once I give the password, you can see now the problem is solved. So now connection is established and there is no error called no connection established. Now I'll close this. Now if you start this, it will work. But sometimes what will happen is the next time when you open it for the second time, it may again show you the same problem. So again you have to do it here. Again you have to come here and go to services and you have to open the setting and manually start the server. So to fix this problem, you need to change startup type from manual to automatic. The moment you select automatic here and you press apply, now every time you will open MySQL Workbench, automatically your server will start without any failure. So this way you can fix this problem of automatically shutting down this MySQL server. You won't get any problem related to this service and your MySQL Workbench will run smoothly. See here, if I open it again and if I click every time, it is going to be working properly. So here I don't have to worry about anything now. I can just give my password and here I can go inside my MySQL Workbench and I can write my queries to create databases and so on. I hope you have understood this video well. If you have any doubts, then please comment in the comment section below and I'm going to clear your doubts as soon as possible. So that's it for this video guys. This is Ashank David signing off. See you guys in the next one.